Here's the deal. Captions can be kind of boring. Until now. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to add exciting captions to your videos using Canva's latest update. Stick around till the end because I'm about to share a few tricks with you that'll take your videos to the next level. In today's video, I'm going to show you a feature inside Canva that they just updated. And it's amazing. Right now, I'm inside Canva in the video editor area. Here's my example video we'll be using today. Check it out. This particular video does have sound. So what I'm going to do next is come over here and click on text, and then click on captions. Now I'm in the captions area, and it's showing me that I have one page, which is correct. Next, I'll click on generate captions and let it work on making captions for my video. Okay, so that's pretty fast. It took 3 or 4 seconds. Now I'll go back to the beginning and I'm going to click play. Next, I'll move it down a little bit. It's very easy to do. Now let's experiment. We can see that Canva added a caption to this video, but they just made some major changes to the caption feature. Let's check them out. So for now, let's click on the actual caption on the video. Then go up to animate, look under the B, and in the element section here, we've got 3 new things to use. So we've got reveal, watch it over here. We've also got highlight and snake. So these 3 new ways to animate our caption are now inside Canva if you're using a paid account. Let's have a little fun and experiment with these. First of all, let's try the reveal one. You can see here it's revealing one word at a time. And if we scroll down here, you can also change the intensity of it a little bit. So let's watch it now as it's working. Okay, so that's pretty cool. This is caption reveal. Let's scroll this back and try the second one. So if we go to highlight, you see there's a little shadow. I know it's kind of hard to see. So let's change the color. Go here, and let's change it to pink for now. So now you can easily see the words it's talking are being highlighted karaoke style. You could also change the color or intensity if you wanted to. For the third one, we have an underline, and you might like that one the best. And if you want to change the color of the line underneath, just click right here. Then you can change it to be yellow or pink or this green color. You can make all these changes very, very fast. So we'll scroll back to the beginning. So let's go back to reveal just so you can see it in action. Now let's try highlight and change the color. Next, we'll go back and try the snake option and change the color to yellow. Okay, so there you go. So now you've just seen Canva's new caption options. These 3 new features can really make a big difference to your video if you want to add captions. So I hope this has helped you understand these new features for video making. Ever tried making an AI character only to have it look totally different the next time? Frustrating, right? Now imagine making a signature AI character that looks the same in every image, every video, every project. No more random results. It is possible. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to fix that problem and create AI characters that stay consistent every single time using an excellent and easy-to-use AI tool. Want to learn the secret to creating perfectly consistent AI characters in just a few minutes? Keep watching. Let's get started.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.